It was a rough week last week. I had my first red week in a couple of months, and it was a tough pill to swallow, but and last Monday I was trading and doing well, and then overtraded at the end of the day and ended up giving back some profits. I held a long overnight for swing trade and woke up Tuesday morning. Our daughter was a little fussy, got seated at my desk late in the morning. Then I got everything open, boom, the internet crashes. So I go reset the internet, and then the market opens, and I'm frustrated because I've missed my opportunity to go ahead and, as I always say, Carpe Profit, seize those profits. I missed my $1,000 day target, and I just sat there and I tried not to revenge trade or anything like that, and I was waiting and I was looking for optimal setups and traded and made a little bit of profit for the day. And then later on in the day, I got an alert from one of my scanners, and I saw a bank that was oversold based on a Seeking Alpha article written by someone that was short, where he was trying to have a stock tank. And sure enough, it was at the RSI extreme. So I went ahead and bought into the stock, and then it kept dropping and kept dropping and dropping. And I had fear set in and caused me to execute a bad trade of locking in a profit. Whereas the article really was hype, and the next morning they came back, they had a press release actually that night around 7 o'clock, and the next morning the stock jumped back up another $2. So you can always learn from experiences, but that was a tough one. And then I continued to have a couple red days that week, and Friday our daughter was sick, and then the weekend was busy taking care of her, so that's why the video is delayed. But it gave me a chance to step back from the market and analyze what was going on for the week, what happened, what was I doing wrong? What was different in those months where I had $20,000 to $30,000 profits? My husband and I were sitting there, we were talking about it, and really I saw, with this pregnancy, my blood sugar tends to get lower quickly because the baby's taking nourishment from me, and I need to be conscious of that. I need to be conscious of my trading style and how it had changed. I was over trading now, and before I was waiting for those optimal setups. I saw that basically I was trying to anticipate the setups. I wasn't letting it happen for me. So on Monday, I went back to my trading desk and I traded small positions, waiting for the setups. I had 3 trades and made about $300 profit, which is great. I ended up the day up green. I was happy. And I also went into COL as a swing trade because the stock had just released earnings, which was positive, and they'd gone into a merger announcement with B&E Aerospace. And overall, it looks like it's a great potential merger for them. And what I've seen is that when a company is being bought out, the one that's being bought out tends to spike at that future share price that it's going to be purchased. And then the one that's buying the company tends to drop because everyone's not sure that that's the best move right off the bat. Same thing happened with CRM as far as Twitter. And you could see that the day that CRM announced that they might be buying Twitter, Twitter spiked and CRM dropped. So I took from that experience and saw how CRM came back the next day, and as well as the fact that COL had positive earnings. And I swung that over Tuesday because I wasn't trading Tuesday with other things going on in my life, and came back to the desk this morning, Wednesday morning, had my swing trade going and locked a nice profit with COL with 2/3 of my position of about $800 and just traded smart. I came back to my old trading strategy where I was waiting for setups. I wasn't anticipating, trading smart, not positions that were too large, using my stops to lock those profits. As I always say, Carpe Profit, seize them. Each and every one will help you grow your account. And today was a great day with over $2,500 in profit. So you can't complain about that. And it happens, if you have a bad week or you have a bad day, it's okay. Step back, analyze it, look to see what you're doing different from your normal strategy that's been winning for you. That's a lot of what the training is that's coming up in November. It's all about how can you improve your trading strategy and how can you improve your trading style. In fact, this week's going to be a little different. I'm shooting the week in review on Friday because on Sunday evening, we are offering a free webinar to help you with your trading strategy and trading style. Mandy and I have partnered together because our interest is to help you guys. So the free link, or the link to sign up for the free webinar is down below to give you a little taste of what we have coming in November. And we want to know your top 5 questions as far as what you are looking for in improving your trading. Is it, whatever it is, just shoot them back to us. You'll see it when you sign up and register for the webinar. And there's more to come too in December, just waiting on some details to be finalized, but some more exciting news that is coming up. And I am still working on that book. It is going to happen. But that's it for today, guys. So just want to give you a little quick week in review, a little delayed, but life happens sometimes and we move forward from there. All right, guys, have a great one.